So we already announced the big announcement. I'm not going to be with y'all next week. So y'all have Miss Smilgan, but everything is the same for y'all. Come here, do class, learn math. That's it. Number one, we're going to solve for x. It says solve. Here's my variable x. What's next to x that I need to get rid of? -2. Now, how do I get rid of the number in, first of all, what's the number in front called? Coefficient. Coefficients are being multiplied, so how do I get rid of that situation? Divide. Now, look at this. You can see why someone might think it's +2, right? But that's only if it's after the x. Okay, if it's right there in front of the x, you have to divide by that number. So I'm going to divide by what? -2, no x. If I divide on one side, I'm going to do it on the other side. It keeps it equal, okay? So divide by -2. Now those -2's cancel out, and I have x equals, what's 8 divided by -2? 4 is wrong. Oh, -4 is right, okay? Now, when you're doing little computations, I highly suggest this cool thing.
A lot of people
okay.
so far been making their way through the addition, subtraction, and we're counting them wrong. If you put like -3 and the answer is 3, it's wrong. So use the calculator so you don't make a mistake.
8 over -2 is -4. Cool. Now, remember last Thursday, we did some of this number line stuff. How do I put it on this number line? Well, I'm trying to say x equals this number, so I got to find this number. So find -4. What do I put there? A point or a dot. Make sure you put a circle and you shade it in at -4. Now, I'm showing you this because on your quiz today, you got to do this. Okay, if you look at yesterday's video and the day before, I said quiz Friday, quiz Friday. Today's Friday. Okay. Now, because y'all were doing this. No, I did not. Now, I am. If you want me to go. No, you want me to go? I get it. All right. Now, number 2. I'm solving for x. What do I need to get rid of? The -7 has to go, so I do the opposite, which is what? +7 or +7 underneath. If I do it on one side, I'm going to do it on the other side. There you go. Cancel out. Yeah. What is -8 plus 7?
-1.
It is -1. Now, if you don't have the mental math, that's totally cool because you have yellow calculators that you can use, right? So again, make sure you use these. They are your friends. They can help you out. And if you're not sure how to use it, let us know. We'll help you out. Now, hold on. It's -1 equals x, right? Not 1, not 15, not -15. It's -1x equals x, okay?
Whenever you see an equal sign in your problem, you're probably going to get one answer, okay? So right here, x equals -4. There was an equal sign. Right here, there's an equal sign. X equals -1. When you start doing these expressions, there's no equal sign. So you're not going to get just one answer. You're going to combine the like terms and leave it. As soon as you have the like terms put together.
One day.
Right.
All right. So again, no equals. You want to combine like terms. Wait, put that away. So what do I combine here? Okay. So I got an 8x and a regular x. So I'm going to circle them. 8x and then what's the sign? Plus x. And what is in front of an x if it's just an x? So write that 1 there. So now 8x plus 1x is what? 9x. You don't have to. It helps. Never mind. Nothing. All right. So what do I do next? What do I combine next? Ah. So 5y minus 2y. 5 minus 2 is? Now look, if I just put this, wrong. What do I have to put after the 3? If I put it like this, wrong. What is missing? You don't want to have floating terms. You want to have something plus or minus here. And since it's positive, you got to put a plus sign. Okay? Okay. Now, number 4, I remember PEMDAS. I think of parentheses. The number in front of the parentheses. Hold on. Listen. In the back. Everybody listen. Number in front, it is going to multiply, but what do you call that when it multiplies into both? Distribution, or distributing. So I'm going to distribute the 4. 4 times 3x is what? 12x, okay? And then 4 times 5? 20, so I got to put a plus. Now, I don't know what's going to happen after today, but at least this week, I told you, you do your warm-ups, you get an easy 100. So, you should have 5 warm-ups with 5 objectives. That's 20 points each day, 100. Make sure your name is on it. Pass it to the front. And we're going to pick those up, and we're going to take this quiz.